Hello everyone. If you had watched my previous videos, you would have realized the importance of having an email address on your Facebook account. There are a few free email services that we can create an account easily. Yahoo and Gmail are the most popular free email services used widely. So today I am going to show you how to create an email account. Creating an account might be very easy for you. Just you have to follow the instructions and fill your details. Within this video, I will show you how to create a strong email account which you never lost in your lifespan. Most of people's are on struggle accessing their email account, once they want to recover their Facebook account. Some of them saying, they set up their email account long time ago and now they haven't remembered the password or haven't the backup plans. You won't get worried about either email or Facebook, if you have a strong email address and use it on your Facebook account. This is not only for Facebook but also for your any account. This will be your eternal email account for you with free of problems. Go to Gmail sign up page. It directs to create a new account page even you're already logged in with another Gmail. Also you can simply click on this your current Google account icon. It shows your every Google accounts you have logged in. Scroll down to the bottom of the list. Click on Add Another Account option. It will go to Sign In page. By clicking on Create Account option also directs you to the same. Let's start on filling your information. Give your real name in these first and last name boxes. It won't appear to anyone. Username will be your email ID. You can pick a username set your preference. It won't be your real name. Anyway, I am going to put my name as username also. After completion of filling names, it appears suggestions of available username related to your name. Simply you can pick one of that. If you need customized username, you can try until find an available one. You should have a unique ID in Google as it not allows using duplicate. Let's see what will happen if I try to take a customized email ID that already exists. Use a strong password can't anyone guess. As an example, if you pick part of your name and birth year as your password, it is easy to recall. But it isn't easy to guess for others. So be smart to pick a unique and familiar password for you. This password must be longer than 8 characters. Don't forget to mix it with letters, numbers and symbols. Once you place your password in both boxes, you can view it by clicking this eye icon. If the password is different in boxes, it won't save. See? Let's type it again. The username already have taken by someone else. So I have to try another one or pick from available suggestions. Let's pick one from given suggestions. This second page is the most important one for creating a strong email. There you can see you have an option to put a mobile number and recovery email address. Both of these are optional. Most of people skip these options. That's why those struggling with recover once forgot the password. So don't ever skip these options. You must keep one email as your primary email address. Keep this email as recovery email for any account you created. Even you will lost your password, you can getting back the access easily. If you decide to change your phone number or suddenly lost your number, don't forget to change it in your email account. Not only in email, even in Facebook account, don't forget to replace new number once you get. So you can read further information by clicking on this why we ask for this information. I am sure most of you never have gone through this. Let's fill birthday and gender and go to the next page. It appears mobile verification message once you put your mobile number in previous page. Don't skip this verification also. Your mobile number can help you, only once you verify it in here. If you don't have the number with you at now, you can verify it later also. If you need to use that number for further services offering by Google, you can select it. For now I am going to skip it. In next page you will see their privacy and terms agreement. I am sure you just do scroll down and click agree button. But if you can, take some time and read what is this agreement and to what kind of terms we are going to agree. Once agree on this, you will finish creating the account. Now don't forget to save your email ID and the password in somewhere for extra security. Usually I am saving it in a text file. But you can save it in a diary or anywhere. Now you almost did everything. You can see your details in there. You have put a mobile number and a backup email also. For extra protection you can add two-step verification options also. But keep remember this will be your major fault if you change or lost the mobile number without changing it here in Gmail account. If you are using this email in a mobile device, you can use this for find the device also if it gets stolen or lost. I will tell about that in another video. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you again in another video. Stay safe. Be smart.